Hi everyone, this is Krishnara Maths IT faculty. Last class we discussed this is functions, types of functions, and on to 8 problems completed challenges. Now 9th problem. See here, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set of A and B, then find the number of onto functions. When it is possible, the onto number of onto functions means here n of A is less than or equal to n of B. One function means n of A is less than or equal to n of B, but here onto function means n of A is greater than or equal to n of B. Now see here, n of A is equal to m. This is m means here 5. n of B is equal to how many? Here 2. This is here right here, n is equal to 2. Now you can write the number of onto functions formula n c0 n power m minus n c1 n minus 1 power m plus n c2 n minus 2 power m up to so on. Then here n means how much here? 2. 2c0 2 power 5 minus 2c1 2 minus 1 power 5. Next 2c2 2 minus 2 means 0. No need this one. Okay, now see here 2c0 means 1. nc0 is equal to ncn 1. Then 2 for 5 32. 2c1 means 2 into here 2 minus 1 1. 1 for 5 means 1 only. Then you can write here 2. 32 minus 2 is equal to 30 onto functions from A to B. Note down. Okay, now 10th one. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of A, B, C, then find the number of onto functions from A to B. You have to try at home this problem. This is m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3. Then m is greater than n. Then number of onto functions is possible. Then you can apply the formula n power m nc0 n power m minus nc1 n minus 1 power m plus nc2 n minus 2 power m minus nc3 n minus 3 power m plus up to so on. You can apply, you substitute the m and n value in this expression, then you will get the number of onto functions. Next see here 11th one. If n of A is equal to 5 and n of B is equal to 6, then find the number of onto functions from A to B. A to B, here n of A is less than n of B. The number of onto functions is possible or not possible. That's why you can write simple 0. Next one, 12th one, n of A is equal to 5 and n of B is equal to 5. Then find the number of possible bijective functions. Here number of bijective functions means here this is n factorial. That means here n of A is equal to n of B is equal to n means here this is number of onto functions means n factorial. That's why here 5 factorial. 5 factorial how to write here? 5 factorial is equal to 120. How to write means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 into 4 20, 23 is 60, 60 into 2 120. Number of bijective functions is 120. Note down. Okay, next 13th one. If n of A is equal to 4 and n of B is equal to 3, then find the number of into functions from A to B. A function is, it is not a onto function means it is a into function. Here number of into functions from A to B is nc1 n minus 1 power m minus nc2 n minus 2 whole power m plus nc3 n minus 3 power m up to so on. This is the total number of into functions from A to B. If a function is not a onto function means it is a into function. A function is not a one function means it is a onto function. It is a onto function, not a onto function. Okay, right, see here. Now here m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3. Now you can substitute here 3c1, here 3 minus 1 power 4, here 3c2, 3 minus 2 power 4 plus 3c3, 3 minus 3 means it is equal to 0. That's why you can leave it this one. Now you can write here 3c1, 3c1 means here 3, here 3 minus 1 means here 2, 2 power 4 minus 3c2, 3 into 2 by 2 into 1, here 1 power 4 means 1, then 2 to cancel, then 2 power 4 16, 16 3s are 48 minus 3 is equal to 45. Number of into functions is 45. Note down. Next 14th one, state which of the following are 1 and onto function. First one is f is mapping from R to real function to real function, the function defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Here first we have to verify this is a 1 or not. How to verify the 1 and onto means here two methods are there. First method is you have to follow two different elements having not having same image. That means different elements having different images. That means here let x1 comma x2 belongs to R and f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here x1 x2 two elements we have to take in R. R means it's a domain, you can take it is here. This is R, this is also R. x1 comma x2. Now its image f of x1 image and f of x2 image both are equal means these two also equal. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Suppose these two are different elements means its images also different. That means different elements having different images. Now see here f of x1. F of x means here 2x plus 1. Then you can write here 2x1 plus 1 is equal to 2x2 plus 1. Now either side 1 is cancelled. Now 2x1 is equal to 2x2. These two also cancel. x1 is equal to x2. That means here in domain you have to take two elements. That two elements are equal means its images also equal. x1 image f of x1, here f of x2. These both are equal. That means here different elements having different images. Then this is also 1 function. Now onto function how to take here? See here. This is another method also you can use 1. You can substitute some values. Here x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. That like you can substitute the values. Then you have to different elements having different images also. Now onto function. This is f is 1. F is 1. Now f is onto. F is onto. How to check the onto function? First you have to take what the function has given. F of x means it is equal to y. F of x means it is equal to y. Now you can express y in terms of x in terms of y. Then here this one and this side 2x is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to y minus 1 by 2. Now you have to take here f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Here x instead of you have to substitute this value 2 into y minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 to cancel, then y minus 1 plus 1. 1 also cancel, then y. F of x is equal to y. Every element having a free image in domain. Every element of codomain having a free image in domain. That's why this is also onto function. This is 1 and onto. Both is possible. This is a bijective function. Note down. Now see here second problem. F is mapping from R to set of minus 1, 0, 1 defined by f of x is equal to set of here x less than 0 means minus 1, x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, x is greater than 0 means 1. Now see here by using Venn diagram. This is R. Okay, f minus 1, 0, 1. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on 1 by 2, 1 by 3 plus 1, 2, 3, here fractions each and everything, this is R. Now x less than 0, x less than 0 means all are negative numbers. Up to here all negative numbers are mapping with the minus 1. Next 0 mapping only 0. Then all positive numbers x greater than 0 is mapping 1. Now see here different elements not having different image. That's why f is clearly we know that f is not a 1 function. 1 another name is injective function. 1 or injective function. Here this is onto function are possible or not? This is onto function. Clearly we know that. Why? Because only 3 elements has given. Here n of a is greater than n of b clearly has given. That's why onto function is possible. Okay, and f is onto. Note. Okay, now this is third one. F is mapping R to x such that x is greater than 0, defined by f of x is equal to x square. Now see here, this is R and this is x greater than or equal to 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Okay, this is also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on, 1, 2, 3. With, including fractions also you have to take here. This is f, this is also x greater than or equal to 0, some. Okay, now see here, f of x is equal to x square. Here you can substitute here minus also, plus also, its value is positive only. Now see here, f of minus 1 you can substitute here. Minus 1 means plus, minus 1 whole square means here plus. F of plus 1 also you can substitute here. This is also 1. F of 0 square is equal to 0. Now see here, clearly we know that here minus 1 and plus 1, this both having only 1. Minus 1, here minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, both elements having same image. That's why this is 1 is not possible. Onto possible or not? Here onto possible or not we have to check here. Onto possible. Clearly we know that only positive numbers are there. Positive numbers. Okay, positive numbers are possible. Then this is onto function only. This is onto function. Onto only. Okay, or otherwise here y is equal to x square, x is equal to under root y. Under root y means only you have to take here only positive numbers. You can take any number also. Here 0. Y you can take here 0, 0 possible, 1 under root 1 possible, under root 2 real numbers. Okay, this is onto function. Note down. Okay, now fourth one, f is mapping from R minus set of 2 to R minus set of 1. Here this is R. In this R, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on is there. Here 0, 1, 2 is not there. Except 2 remaining all numbers are there. Then here also in codomain also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on. Here 1 is not there. 2, 3 up to so on. Given. Then the function is f. See here. Now this is f is 1 onto we have to check here. Here let f is 1 first we have to check 1 means you can take two elements in domain x1 comma x2 belongs to R, x1 comma x2 belongs to R, but except 2 is not there in domain. Now here f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now you can substitute here x1 plus 2 by x1 minus 2. Here this is f of x. F of x here 1 means here also 1. x1 plus 2 by x1 minus 2 is equal to x2 plus 2 by x2 minus 2. Now cross multiply except 2. Here 2 means it is not defined. Why? Because here denominator is equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0 means it is not defined. That's why. Okay, now cross multiply x1 into x2 and minus 2 x1. Minus 2 x1. Next plus 2 x2 minus 4 is equal to here x1 into x2 and 2 x1 minus 2 x2 minus 4. Now this is equal either side. This is x1 x2 cancel and minus 4 cancel. Now you can write here minus 2x1 minus 2x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 2x1 minus 2x2. Now this 2x1 send this side, 4, 2 plus 2, 4x1. Here this is also send that side, 4x2. Now this 4 also cancel, x1 is equal to x2. That means here you can take two elements in domain means that two elements its images also equal means that elements also equal. Now f is onto. Onto possible or not we have to check here. Here y is equal to x plus 2. Then cross multiply xy minus 2y is equal to x plus 2. This x send this side and 2y send that side. xy minus x is equal to 2 plus 2y. Now here you can take common x. Y minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2y by y minus 1. Y minus 1. This is x. Now you can take here f of x is equal to x plus 2 by x minus 2. this x value substitute here. Now note down this one. See here. What is f of x? F of x is equal to x plus 2 by x minus 2. That x value you have to substitute here. F of x is equal to here 2 plus 2y by y minus 1 plus 2 whole by 2 plus 2y by y minus 1 minus 2. Now you can take the LCM y minus 1, then 2 plus 2y plus 2 into y, 2y minus 2. Here denominator y minus 1, here also denominator y minus 1, both are cancelled after taking LCM only. 2 plus 2y, here 2 into y, 2y minus into minus plus 2. This denominator y minus 1 is cancelled. Now see here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, here 2y cancel. Now this is 2y plus 2y, 4y by 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 per cancel y. Now f of x is equal to y, then f is also onto function. Note down. Okay, next classroom package. In this classroom package, first one is parallel package. First question, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C, D and the function f is equal to set of order pair 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma D. Then f is, see here, this is A, 1, 2, 3 and this is B, A, B, C, D. The function is mapping from 1 to A and 2 to B and 3 to D. See here, this is a function, n of A is less than n of B. This is a function, which type of function? 1, 1 function. N of A is less than n of B, 1, 1 function. Different elements having different images, note down. Okay, next second one, if f is mapping from closed interval 0 comma 1 to closed interval minus 1 to 2 defined by f of x is equal to x square, then this is a functional or 1, 1 functional, onto functional, check here. Here this is a closed interval 0 and 1 and this is closed interval minus 1, 0, 1. Closed interval means here minus 1 to 1, in between 0 also there. Then this is f. Now you can take the function f of x is equal to x square. You substitute the domain elements, f of 0 is equal to 0 square is equal to 0. Next f of 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Then 0 is mapping 0, 1 is mapping 1. See here, this is a function, this is a function. Next here n of A is less than n of B. This is a 1, 1 function. Okay, both 1 and 2 is possible. That's why this is both option is correct. Note down. Okay, next third one, the number of 1, 1 functions that can be defined from set of 1, 2, 3 to set of A, B, C, D. See here, this is 1, 2, 3. Here this is A, B, C, D. This is A, this is B, this is the function. N of A is equal to 3 and N of B is equal to 4. The total number of 1, 1 or injective functions is N of B, P, N of A. Here N of B is equal to 4, P3. 4P3 is equal to 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. Actually here this is looks like NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. That's why here 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial is 1 factorial. Then 4 factorial is write as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Total 24. Then 4 factorial is, this is third option. Note down. Next fourth one, if f is mapping from A to B is an injection function. Injection function means it is a 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function when it is possible, n of A is less than or equal to n of B only possible. Okay, so the option is first one. Now fifth one, if A is equal to set of A, B, C, comma B is equal to set of 2, 1, 0 and f is equal to, the function f is equal to set of order for A, 2, B, 0, C, 2. Then f is, see here, this is A, B, C, and this is B, 2, 1, 0 or 0, 1, 2 also you can write here. Then the function is from A to B is mapping A to 2 and B to 0 and C to 2 only. Now see here, this is a function. First one, this is a function. Next one is here, n of A is equal to n of B, but two elements having same image. Two elements having same image. This is not a one function. At the same time, this is not a onto function also. Then this is into function. Into function is possible. At least one element is not having free image in the codomain. This is also into function. One not possible, onto not possible, constant not possible. This is only function only. Which type of function means into function? Note down. Next, sixth one, if f is mapping from R to closed interval 0 and infinite. See here, this is R and this is 0 to 1, 2, 3 up to so on plus infinite, and this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is f is the function. Now you can write here f of x is equal to x square. F of 1 you can write here 1 square 1. F of minus 1 also write here minus 1 square 1. F of 0 also write here 0 square is equal to 0. Now you can take any negative value also, 0 and plus infinite between it will come. Okay, here two elements having same image, 1 and minus 1, both having 1 only. That's why this is not a 1 function. This is a onto function only. This is a onto function. This is a function. First, this is a function and onto function. Both possible means here. This is the option. Fourth one is correct. Next, seventh one. If A is equal to set of 3, 0, 1, 2 and f is mapping from A to B, an onto function defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. See here, this is A, 3, 0, 1, 2. This is B. This is A, this is B. Here we don't know this is codomain, but the function is mapped from A to B. That function f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 as given. Now you can substitute here domain 3 of f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 minus 5. 3 into 3, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And f of 0 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. 3 into 0, 0. 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Next, f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 5. 3 1s are 3 minus 5 minus 2. And f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. See here, this is a onto function means n of A is greater than n of B only possible, greater than or equal to. See here, in codomain, minus 4, minus not minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, 1, 4. Minus 5, minus 2, 1, 4. That's why B is equal to minus 5, minus 2, 1 and 4. Note down. Now eighth one, if f is mapping from R to R defined f of x is equal to x cube, then f is, see here, this is R and this is also R. Now you can write here f of x is equal to x cube. F of minus 1 you can take here, minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1, and f of 0 you can take it is here, 0 means 0 cube is equal to 0, and f of 1 you can write here, 1 cube also 1, and f of 2 you can write here. Here different elements have different images. Okay, according to mathematics concept, here x1 comma x2, two elements you can take it in the domain. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 means here x1 cube is equal to xt cube. Then x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 or insective. Next, f of x is equal to x cube. F is on to check here. Then f of x means y. Y is equal to x cube. Then x is equal to y for 1 by 3. Then y for 1 by 3. Now you can write here f of x is equal to x instead of here y power 1 by 3 whole power 3 is equal to y. F is onto. F is 1 1 and onto both 1 1 and onto here 2 and 3. This is also possible, this is also possible, both 2 and 3. Now, ninth question, if f is mapped from q to q defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, then f is, here this is q, rational numbers, two rational numbers, the function is f. Here rational number means natural number, whole number, integers, and p by q form numbers. Okay, now here f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we have to check here f of minus 1, you can write here 2 into minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1, and f of 1 you can write here 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 1 2 plus 3 5, and f of 0 you can write here 2 into 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Okay, f of 1 by 2 you can write here f of 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3, 2 to cancel 4, and f of minus 1 by 2 you can write here 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3, 2 to cancel, here minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, here different elements having different images, that's why this is a 1 1 and at the same time onto also, both possible, 1 1 and onto both possible, both 2 and 3 is possible. Now see here 10th one, if f is mapping from a to b is a bijection function. Already we know that bijection function means the number of elements of set A is equal to number of elements of set B. Then this is the Cartesian cardinal number of A is equal to cardinal number of B. Then the number of, here the bijection, number of bijection functions is n factorial. Okay, our option is third one, note down. Okay, next passage type question. The number of possible functions from A to B is n of b power n of A, and the number of possible 1 functions from A to B is n of b p n of A, where n of A is less than n of b. See here, n of A is equal to 3 elements and n of b is equal to 4 elements as given. Here 3, here 4 elements as given. The number of possible functions, n of b power n of A. Then here n of b is equal to 4, n of b is equal to A. Then here 4 power 3. Then which option? This is second option in this question answer. Now see here, the number of 1 functions that can be defined from set of 1 2 3 to set of A B C D. Here this is 3 elements, here 4 elements as given. Now here one number of 1 functions is n of b p n of A. Then here n of A is less than n of b. Now this is write as 4p3. 4p3 is write as 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. 4 minus 3 means 1 factorial is equal to 1. Then its value is 4 factorial. Which option? Here third option. Note down. Next third question. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set of A, B, C, D, the number of possible 1 functions. Here the cardinal number of A is equal to 5 and cardinal number of B is equal to 4 as given. Now n of A is greater than n of B, then 1 functions are not possible. When n of A is less than or equal to n of B only possible, one number of 1 functions from A to B. But here n of A is greater than n of B as given. That's why here number of 1 functions is 0. Note down. Okay, this is the last question from this aim to see here matrix matching type question. F is mapping from R to R defined f of x. Here f of x is equal to x. Then f of 1 you can write here 1. F of minus 1 also minus 1. F of 0 also 0. Then this is the constant function, means this is a bijective function. Then this is a bijective function. Next, f is defined f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to means here you can take any elements also, all elements are mapping only one element. That's why this is a onto function. This is onto function. Next one is f of x is equal to 2x plus r to r, 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 means here here different elements having different images. This is 1 1 and onto both is possible. This is bijective function. Next, f is mapping from set of 1 to 2, closed interval 1 and 2. That means you can take here 1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and up to so on 1.9 only, not 2. Don't take 2. And this is mapping 1 only, fractional part of 1 here or set of 1. Then here this is a step of x. Step of x means here you can take step of 1 also. Here step of 1 is equal to 1. Step of 1.1 you can take it is here. 1.1 also you can take here. 1.1 also, this is 1. And 1.2 also, here 1 only. Then 1.9 also same. 1.9 also, here step of 1.9 is equal to 1. This is the greatest integer function. All elements are mapping only one element, that is 1. That's why this is also which function? This is also onto function. This is also onto function. Onto function is possible. Okay. Here only single element as given. Here also single element as given. Okay, that's why this is the onto function. Note. Okay, here small changes. Here 15th one, R to R as given. R to R means here R to R, many elements are there. All elements are mapping only one element. Then this is not onto function. This is into function is possible. Okay, remaining elements are, there is no free image in the domain. That's why this is into function. Okay, thank you children watching my video. This aim 2 completed. Next video we have to discuss aim 3. Thank you.